Shh, please. Tawelwch, please. Please. Please stop your wneud soon. Stop making noise. I don't know how many times we've got to tell you. It's very, very disruptive.
I was just trying to help.
Since when did stupid, silly songs help anyone?
What about the Stonk in 1991? That raised over £1 million and it relaunched the careers of Hale and Pace.
And that song you like about Hands Over the Sea sounds pretty stupid too.
Get out! Dwylo dros y môr is an absolute classic. And if you don't understand that, you'll never be able to learn Welsh and you might be able to memorise the words, but you'll not learn the tune.
It's because of you I'm not learning it. Ti'n athro gwael.
Oh?
What?
Kermas, get out!
I know what it means. I've already heard it once today, thanks to you.